Yeah, it's been going great. Getting to meet a lot of people within UST from various teams and sessions from eminent speakers, leaders within the organization. So it's been enriching.
Yes.
Yeah, servant leadership was new to me some time back. I've been in UST for a while, so I've been getting to know about servant leadership concepts, and I've been in a couple of sessions and trainings earlier on. So little by little, I would say I have been practicing some of these concepts. Yeah, so it's not totally new. Yeah, so in this current age, things have changed so much, right? So what
Absolutely.
was relevant earlier on, it may no longer bring results or impact the way you want it to be in this current scenario of things. Okay, so definitely this will help people come together. This is a very what do you say, practically applicable concept which everybody would be interested in, because it has something for everybody. The person who's practicing it, the person who's receiving it at the other end, so everybody is getting benefited. So it's a mutual win-win kind of a thing for both parties. So everybody at UST, so when they start interacting with leaders who are practicing these concepts, I'm sure they will start seeing results or seeing some sort of change in them. And when they themselves attend these kind of sessions, it will be kind of an eye-opener for them as well to make that change and bring a bigger impact.